guys, welcome back to Live Your Style. I'm Sharrah, and this is my husband, Tyler.
What's up?
And that's Scout. So, today we have an announcement. I'm a little nervous. I feel like we've been talking about this for a couple months now, and I'm like excited to tell you guys we are not pregnant.
We're not pregnant.
Just so you know.
Mom, I would have told you over the phone if that was the case. You're not going to find out here.
Yeah. We
are
moving
to San Diego.
Woohoo!
That's your hometown, huh, girl?
I know. That's where I'm from. That's where I was all along until I married this guy.
Brought you to LA. We had a good run up here.
We did, and we love it up here. We love our friends, we love our community, we love our church, we love our town and our little house. But we are going and we are partnering back up with my mom. A lot of you guys know Robeson Design on YouTube. The band is coming back together.
Green Acres is the place for me. My living is a life for me. I've always wanted a yellow canary diamond.
So now that we just prepped and sanded our pallets for the table, we are going to prep and sand. What's happening? Oh my gosh, I'm sitting.
Try not to get any splinters.
Robeson Design and Live Your Style are going to be coming together to create something really, really cool. We will be sharing a lot of that stuff with you guys in the next few weeks, so stay tuned on that. But we are super excited, and
Very exciting stuff. Yeah.
it's going to be quite the adventure. So
Can't wait to share all about it.
I know.
There'll be a lot more information on that coming.
Yes.
First step is getting us down there.
So one of the other components to this that we haven't mentioned yet is Tyler is actually quitting his job, and he is going to come with me, obviously, and he's going to join the business with us, which is going to be so much fun.
I get to be part of the Live Your Style fam.
I know, and the Robeson Design team.
This is going to be awesome.
Prayers appreciated. Elena's actually coming with us. She can wave from behind the camera. Scout's obviously coming with us.
Scott, do you want to move to San Diego with us?
Yeah.
Do you want to?
Come here. Yeah, no, she's napping.
Okay.
We are really excited. We, just from like on YouTube standpoint, it's gonna be so fun to be traveling down there, going on an adventure, taking you guys with us. As we mentioned before, we have so many surprises and things that we're gonna be sharing with you guys as we get into this whole process, and a lot to come. So stay tuned. If you guys don't follow on Instagram, I'm gonna be posting some stuff on there as well. So go follow my Instagram and check it out. If you guys haven't checked out my mom's stuff, feel free to click the link below. I'm sure all of you guys know who my mom is, Rebecca Robeson from Robeson Design. She has an amazing channel all about interior design and really super awesome luxury custom projects. And then I will link it below. You guys can check her out. Sometimes it's funny, we've been apart for 2 years, so there's often people that have found me over the last 2 years that didn't know, they know of her, but they didn't know we were related. So that's what's really cool, is everybody knows us but mama.
Yeah.
And we are coming back together. So stay tuned for the next few weeks. We are gonna be uploading a few different videos. One is gonna be kind of like a recap of our time in this little apartment, our first apartment.
Lots of great memories.
I know, I mean, we love this spot. It's very small, so we're excited to maybe expand our horizons. But then we're gonna also do some videos about moving and just like the stuff that I'm learning as we pack this place up.
Moving can be really overwhelming, so it'd be good to figure out how we can take that, make it a little less overwhelming, turn it into some tips and tricks, and hopefully some of you guys, if you guys are moving, our journey will be helpful in learning how to do it.
Yeah, so stay tuned for that, and then obviously our adventure to finding our new place. We don't even know where we're gonna live yet.
Where are we gonna live?
We're still apartment hunting, house hunting. It's exhausting.
House hunting. I think it's time to move into a house.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah.
We need a garage, as you've seen.
Thank you guys all for watching and being a part of this. You know, like we're saying, we're coming together to create something new. So we're so excited and want to bring you guys along for that journey. And thank you for all the support you've shown up to this point. It's really given us the confidence and the vision to be able to take this next step and do something a little bit bigger and something a little bit more. You know, I'm really excited personally to be able to step into the business with you and take that risk, but it's going to be totally worth it and totally fun.
It's an adventure. Who doesn't want to step into an adventure? So we're going to take you guys with us, and I hope that you enjoy. Thanks for watching, you guys.
Thanks for everything, guys. You guys are the best. We couldn't do this without you.
Yeah, we love you guys, and we'll see you next week.
Bye.
Bye-bye.